Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to remove this front bumper on this 2011 Infiniti G37x. A lot of these Infinitis are going to be similar, Infinitis with similar body styles. Models with similar body styles are going to have the same fasteners and same way to remove it. It's not real difficult, but there is a couple tricky things that I'm going to show you. We're going to make this a quick video. But before we get started, I want to ask each and every one of you, if you appreciate these videos, please like and subscribe. It's helping the channel grow, trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. But let's get started and let's show you how to remove this. Okay, first of all, what we have is there's fasteners along the top of this bumper. The ones you have to remove. This is where I would start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 millimeter bolts. Actually, excuse me, they're clips. Okay, so these are the clips. They have an insert in the center. You pry those up. Once you pry them up, they will pop out. Okay, so you remove all of those. You do not need to remove these. These hold a bracket on the back, but there is a bolt in here. And this is the kind of tricky part. Let me show you what we got. The bolt is this bolt here, 10 millimeter. It goes in, and I kind of just pried this plastic piece up. There's a little bit of a there's a little clip here you might have to pull loose right there. But if you pry this up, you can see right in there, if I can get out of the light. Okay, I'm going to take this bumper off and show you. But what happens is this bolt goes in through the fender into the bumper right on this corner. So it goes right here. Okay, that's the difficult part. I had to use a 10 millimeter end wrench, get in. I used a ratcheting end wrench and just worked it out. Then I had to put, another trick is you want to put a little pressure on this bumper, and that'll help you to remove that. Okay, so that's the bolt, right? That's a bolt. There's one there, there's one there, there's one on this side. Okay, you remove the clips here on the top. Okay, and then there's 10 of these 10 millimeter bolts underneath, and I'm going to show you this. I'm going to take this bumper off. Well, first of all, there's 2 bolts here, 10 millimeters, one here, one here. There's a couple more of these clips right here that hold this in. So what you want to do first, and I'm sorry, I'm getting a little being clear here, but first of all, what you want to do is remove these and then remove the ones on the bottom. Okay, that'll let this splash shield move freely. Okay, you could remove this completely if you want, but it's not really necessary. And then you can get up in here and get these bolts out. Get up in here and get these bolts out. Okay, 1, 2. So do those first on the bottom. These 2 on each side. These clips right here, and then the 2 bolts in here, and then this will come off. So let me show you. I've just got it sitting here on here loose, so I'm going to just take this off. Okay, I will edit that out. But so here's the bumper off. Okay, these are holes on either side of the fender or either side of the bumper that these connect into the fender. Okay, these are the ones along the top that I showed you. And let me flip this over. so you can get a good look at it. These are the ones on the bottom. Okay, there's a plastic sheath that sits, plastic cover, it's called the engine cover, sits right here, and there's 10 bolts go on the bottom. Take those off first. There's one here, and then there's those couple clips here in the splash shield that runs in here, and then the ones that go in here. But this is the bolt that connects, this is where the headlight sits, and this is the bolt that goes through into the fender. That's a little tricky to get out. You don't have to remove these two 10mm bolts here because they go with this bracket that holds that bumper on and holds this. So that's it. That's it for this little tutorial. I hope this helps somebody out. Comment below, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.